Hi, it's James here and welcome to the FXX channel, your #1 trading resource. As always, we will be providing transparent and informative content without the BS. Today, we are going to be covering some of the different types of charting platforms available for traders to use. This is by no means a comprehensive list of every charting platform available, but these are some of the most popular and respected platforms. Before we begin, a disclaimer for you. Forex trading does carry a high level of risk to your capital, and you should only trade with money you can afford to lose. Our videos are for educational purposes only and delivered by a team with verified results. So please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy the content. So, what is charting software? Also commonly referred to as a charting platform. Charting platforms are what traders use in order to access charts for assets and mark out their technical analysis, and some charting platforms are also combined with an exchange or dealing desk, where traders can place their buy and sell orders directly on the charting platform. Charting platforms have two ways in which they can be accessed. And that is either by being downloaded onto your device or accessed via a web browser. The best examples of this are also the two most popular platforms. The MetaTrader trading platform software is downloaded directly onto your computer or mobile, and the trades are placed directly in the program. TradingView is the most popular example of a web-based charting platform. In order to access TradingView, all you need is a web browser and an internet connection. The biggest difference between these two examples, other than how they are accessed, is that with MetaTrader you can mark out your technical analysis and place your trades in the same place. While a few trading brokerages do let you integrate with TradingView, most commonly TradingView is not used to place your trades. Its most popular feature is primarily how user-friendly it is to perform technical analysis, the seamlessness of changing screens and timeframes, and the vast array of tools available. Many traders prefer to use TradingView to perform their technical analysis while still using a platform like MetaTrader to actually execute the trades, like this tech-savvy trader here. While there is no cut and dry benefit to using downloadable versus web-based software, it comes down to trader preference. Also, keeping in mind that you can access a web-based trading platform from any device. Unlike a downloaded software, if you need to replace your computer, you will lose all the templates and customizations you may have made to your trading software. So now let's dive into the different platforms, starting off with the granddaddy of them all, and that is MetaTrader. Now, MetaTrader is by far the most commonly used trading software. The reason for this is that MetaTrader is basically the industry standard. Most brokerages and exchanges you sign up with will have a link for a MetaTrader download that will connect to their trading servers and allow you to start trading. MetaTrader also has a pretty seamless mobile app that allows users to trade on the go or use their phone as a second screen. For the convenience of being able to execute trades and perform technical analysis all in one place, and because MetaTrader is what is offered straight out of the gate with most brokerages, MetaTrader is often the first platform traders use. And there is no reason not to use it for the average trader, as it comes preloaded by default with hundreds of tools, indicators, and features to satisfy the majority of traders. Another huge benefit to MetaTrader is that it is free to use. You can open up demo accounts and start trading right away. So if MetaTrader already comes standard and has all the tools you need built in, why use anything else? Well, to be honest, many traders, including us here at FXX, just don't find MetaTrader as seamless or as user-friendly as other charting platforms. It has a tendency to lag and freeze up at the worst possible times, especially if you are a heavy indicator or chart user. MetaTrader can also use up a ton of computer resources. So if you are trying to run 13 charts, 40 indicators, and 7 timeframes on your laptop, you could experience some serious lag and non-responsiveness from the platform. Definitely not what you want to happen when trading with live capital. Often, traders will still place their trades in MetaTrader as that is what connects them to their broker's trading servers. But they won't bother to have the charts open or use any of the technical analysis tools. Instead, they will use another platform for all their charting and technical analysis. And this segues nicely into the next charting platform, which is TradingView. Now, TradingView has become the most popular and widely used charting platform for Forex, stocks, indices, and crypto traders. And if you spend 10 minutes charting in MetaTrader, then 10 minutes charting in TradingView, it is pretty easy to see why. Even the free version of TradingView gives a much nicer user interface experience. It has more tools, more functions and features with lightning fast response, and the biggest benefit is no lag. Now, anyone who has used MetaTrader for a significant amount of time has likely experienced some pretty significant performance delays. TradingView has lightning fast loading and response times. Another big benefit to using TradingView over MetaTrader is that TradingView gives you access to additional data feeds. So instead of being handcuffed to your broker's price and data feed, TradingView allows you to use the most widely used data feeds. Another huge benefit to TradingView is that you can access specific indices and compare assets such as gold to multiple different currencies, unlike the data feed your broker provides you with on the MetaTrader platform. You may not have access to all the different indices or gold trading pairs you may want to see. Many traders will make sure to keep an eye on the dollar index, the DXY, before trading any US pair. And many traders who trade gold want to see how it is stacking up against every major currency. TradingView allows you to get the full 360-degree picture that many traders need before making trading decisions. TradingView is also great for social trading, as there is a community area where traders can exchange chart setups and trading ideas by sharing their trade setups and marked out technical analysis. Time for our FXX tip. Some brokers directly integrate with TradingView, so you can place your trades directly on TradingView charts, which is convenient, but most brokers don't offer TradingView integration, meaning you still need to execute your trades in MetaTrader. I have found a lot of traders I know who use TradingView will have all their main screens set up to show their charts and any data that will help their trading decisions, and they will simply use the MetaTrader app on the phone to actually execute the trades. No need for using up valuable screen real estate, having both MetaTrader and TradingView open at the same time on the same screen. Simply chart out everything you need in TradingView, then hit that sell or buy button on MetaTrader, and you're off to the races, as the saying goes. Now, let's cover another popular trading platform, NinjaTrader. Now, NinjaTrader is often referred to as MetaTrader on steroids, as it is packed with so many features and functions that some professional traders prefer over the limited features of MetaTrader. Similar to MetaTrader, NinjaTrader is also downloaded locally onto your device, and it doesn't seem to have many of the performance issues that MetaTrader suffers from. NinjaTrader aims to impress more professional and institutional traders, and claims the institutional-grade features and data feeds is what separates it from retail platforms such as MetaTrader. NinjaTrader does not charge a fee for using its platform, but it will charge for data feeds, brokerage services, and some premium features. NinjaTrader is especially popular with futures and Forex traders. One of the main features that separates NinjaTrader from MetaTrader is the order functionality. Now, NinjaTrader provides true market depth for some feeds and instruments, which is used by professional scalpers to know when to dip in and out of trades quickly. Many of NinjaTrader's features and functions are considered overkill for the average retail trader. And though many consider NinjaTrader to be the superior platform, the fact it is widely unavailable for many traders due to brokerage limitations, MetaTrader is recommended for the average trader. MetaTrader is more like your old reliable Honda Civic. Well, NinjaTrader can be thought of like Formula One car. Sure, the Formula One car is faster, but for your daily grocery shopping and driving around with friends, the Formula One car is very limited for any use other than going fast. That brings us to our next platform, which is cTrader. cTrader has been quickly gaining in popularity taking some of the market share from MetaTrader as a cloud-based and downloadable trading platform based on user preference. The biggest initial reason for the rise in popularity was due to compatibility issues between MetaTrader and some Mac operating systems. Many Mac users prefer cTrader over MetaTrader for that reason. Many traders struggle to choose between downloadable or web-based trading platforms, but cTrader users can benefit from both, which is a huge advantage over MetaTrader, and cTrader even has a mobile app. Another advantage of cTrader is that it offers more order types, has a more modern look and feel, and does not seem to have the performance issues of MetaTrader. Another thing we like about cTrader is that you can see some depth of market information, news, and a news calendar is available right on screen, which can be toggled on and off with the click of a button to give you more screen space. These features do not come standard in the MetaTrader platform, so you are stuck switching screens if you need to see that information. One really simple yet nice feature that cTrader has over MetaTrader is that cTrader also calculates your position in dollars, not just pips, so you can actually see the dollar value of your take profit and stop loss levels. There are EAs you can download for MetaTrader that will also show this information, but we like that cTrader has this feature right out of the box. Another great feature that cTrader has that MetaTrader does not is an advanced trade management tool that allows you to set partial profit levels for multiple take profits, and you can set advanced stop loss functionality to protect your gains and capital. These features are so useful for money management. In our opinion, a huge oversight that this feature is not available in MetaTrader, as many trading strategies require multiple take profit levels. So that is it, guys, for the different charting platforms available. While there is no best, and we are not making any recommendations here as it comes down to each trader's preference. If you want convenience, easy to use, the freedom to use nearly any broker and beginner friendly, go with MetaTrader. That is of course depending on how heavy your chart usage is and if your computer will be able to handle the resource-hungry platform. If you want the freedom to use almost any broker and don't want to worry about the clunkiness and slow response times trying to chart on MetaTrader, you can opt to use TradingView. While many traders find the free TradingView suitable, heavier TradingView users may need to upgrade to a paid plan. If you want something similar to MetaTrader but with advanced money management strategy options and better performance, find a broker that supports cTrader and give that one a try. We also love that cTrader has options for both web-based and locally hosted trading platforms, available on Windows, Mac, and mobile. If you are a depth of market scalper and need lightning fast trade executions and institutional grade trading tools, then NinjaTrader might be the platform for you. I hope you guys found this video helpful and we set you on the right path to consider the right trading platform for you. Here at FXAX, we are passionate about bringing you all the information, education, and content you need to help each of you reach your trading goals. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our future content. If you have not already done so, feel free to check out our newsletter, Telegram, and Instagram, where we post daily Forex analysis. All those links can be found in the description below.